Also, this is Blonde Solutions, one of their liquid toners in platinum. And so I pre-toned her hair and detangled all of her teas that we did on the ends with this, and I allowed it to sit for about 10 minutes. And so what it does is it kind of just neutralizes the palette. It's a little bit different than a purple shampoo, which over time can be super drying and can grab a little bit too aggressively. So this kind of keeps it at that like neutral platinum for me, and this is one of my favorite. There are 3 other colors as well, but this is kind of my go-to one that I seem to use the most, besides the rosé one, which is their pink one, which kind of makes more of a pearly tone. But yeah, this is one of the best ones, and it smells unbelievably like Hubba Bubba gum. Don't know why, but yeah, this is one of my favorites to use on somebody who has really fine tangly hair, and I need to balance out the canvas before I actually color melt.